Hello, this is Pytronics. We will provide an online tutorial to let you practice on MicroPython programming using the Raspberry Pi Pico. In the previous tutorials we explain how to install the Thani application and to prepare the Pico to be programmed with the MicroPython language. Today we will start control the GPIO of the Pico, which are the input and output ports of the Pico. The Pico has got a 26 multifunction GPIO, which can be either input or output, depending on the project we build. There is an LED within the Raspberry Pi Pico board. This LED is connected to the GPIO number 25. In this tutorial we will write a simple code to power this LED. Let's start. First, we set the mode on the Pico. Then we click on Create New Icon as shown. At the first line, we import the pin module from the machine package. We can import other different modules depending on the project you build. The pin module provides a way to control the input and output pins of the microcontrollers. Also, we need to make some delays later on our code, so we will import the uTime module, which will help us to do this task. Then, we define a new object named as LED, where we will use the pin module that we import previously to control the pin number 25. We will set the mode of the pin to out, which indicates that we will send a voltage of 3.3 through this pin. The while true statement in MicroPython creates an infinite loop that will continue running until the program is interrupted or stopped. In MicroPython, you can use while true to create a loop that runs continuously, allowing your program to monitor sensors or control output pins or perform any other tasks that require ongoing processing. Now, we call the object we created before, the LED, and set its value to 1. That means we power the object LED, which is connected to the port number 25 with 3.3 volts. We add a delay of 1000 millisecond using the command sleep from the module uTime that we already import previously. Now, we will return the value of the object LED to 0, which means to power off this port after the delay of 1000 milliseconds is finished. Again, we add a delay of 1 second to our code. The code is finished. Let's save the program to our Pico memory. Click on Save icon, then write the name of the program such as onboard LED. If you want to consider this program as your main code, write the name main.py and save it. It will run directly as you power your Pico. Make sure to save the code with extension of .py to run correctly. Now click on Run icon to run your code. And this is how your Pico is react after you run the program. The onboard LED will switch on, then waits for 1 second, and then will switch off and wait for another 1 second. This program will run forever, or until you stop it. There is another code can make the same effect using another command, which is the toggle command. It will toggle the value each time of the LED power each 1 second while the code is running. Hope you enjoyed. See you next tutorial.